Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of wearable technology with an exciting new product, the smartwatch for women and men, Dial Answer Calls. This feature-packed smartwatch is designed to keep you connected, active, and stylish all day long. Whether you're looking to stay on top of your fitness goals, manage calls effortlessly, or track your health, this smartwatch has got you covered. Stick around as we explore all the incredible features that make this the perfect companion for your busy lifestyle.
The smartwatch for men and women is a game changer for health enthusiasts. With its sleek 46mm design, it offers Bluetooth calling and continuous monitoring of heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress levels. The intuitive interface makes tracking your fitness goals effortless and stylish. Elevate your daily routine with this must-have smartwatch that seamlessly blends functionality with fashion.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm LTE is your ultimate AI-powered fitness companion. Featuring a brilliant display, 24/7 connectivity, and an advanced energy score tracker, it keeps you in tune with your health and daily activity. Its rugged yet sleek design ensures durability and style, while LTE lets you stay connected on the go. Elevate your wellness and productivity with this powerhouse smartwatch.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 44mm is your ultimate fitness and lifestyle companion. With a stunning display, it tracks your health metrics, including 24/7 heart rate, sleep, and activity. Stay connected on the go with Bluetooth calling and notifications, all while enjoying a sleek, premium design. A smartwatch that combines style, performance, and wellness seamlessly.
Stay connected and active with the smartwatch for men/women. Featuring a large 1.96 HD display, this fitness watch lets you make and answer calls directly from your wrist. Track your heart rate, monitor sleep, and stay on top of your health goals 24/7. Sleek, functional, and perfect for your busy lifestyle.
Experience the ultimate convenience with the smartwatch for men/women. This stylish smartwatch not only tracks your fitness, but also allows you to answer calls and receive message reminders right on your wrist. Its sleek design and customizable watch faces make it a perfect accessory for any outfit. Stay connected and motivated throughout the day with this must-have gadget.